Shalom. All praises to the Most High, Yahweh, Hashem, Yahweh. I just want to point out how important it is to have discernment, right? Because to have discernment is to know how to um, point out someone, right? To point out someone that this someone is a slanderer, a whisperer, or a murmurer, right? Is a person has already forgiven someone? Is this person hating righteously or wrongfully? And I believe in order to improve discernment, right, one has to go through a lot of experience, right? And I believe that's why the Most High puts us a lot of trials, right? uh, Challenges, experiences. Once we experiences all of those, we can now determine and have a discernment between, is this person hates righteously or hates wrongfully? Is this person judging rightfully, or is this person judges wrongfully, right? uh, I will do more videos about discernment because it's something that is very very important, and I want to improve on this stuff because it's hard to it's hard to it's hard to diagnose someone of, hey, you're hating on this brother. It's hard to diagnose someone whether a certain brother is hating someone righteously or hating someone wrongfully, right? Because there will be times that you have to set a distance between someone who is hating you wrongfully, right? Because then they might um, they might put you in a situation where you will sin, right? So I will expand on this topic more as I move on in this walk, but so far that's how it is right now, that in order to increase in discernment, increase in experience.